Welcome to month 2 of our 12-month succession planning calendar. I'm Nanette Miner, founder of The Training Doctor. We are succession planning pros in the people space. This calendar is going to help you to slowly and methodically create your company's talent succession plan over the course of a year. So last month, we talked about all the HR data that you should collect so that you have a picture of who's in the organization, their tenure, their age, etc. This month, we're going to determine what is broken. We'll analyze that data to identify any people problems we need to fix before we can start succession planning, such as recruitment, churn, or a lack of career paths. Do you spend a lot of time and money recruiting and interviewing people? You have a recruitment problem. We have to fix that first. Generally, I will say that the number one problem is you aren't telling candidates about the career that they can have with your organization. You're telling them about a job, which to them sounds like a finite period of time, in which case they will then go look for another job. You may find, oh, we don't keep people over 2 years. You can't plan for promotions and make a succession plan if you can't keep people. You have a retention problem. For instance, in the construction industry, the typical churn is at year 2 and at year 5. So if you're working in that industry, you want to look at people who've been with the organization for 5 years or more. Then you have a better chance of keeping them 15 to 20 years, which means you know who the people are that you can develop and promote. You may find that career paths are an issue if your managers are consistently asking you to hire people from outside the organization. If they're constantly saying, there's no one I can promote, there's no one who's capable, then you have a culmination of all the problems. You are hiring people for jobs, you're not training them or developing them to move up in the organization via career paths, and you're hindering the organization's growth. I encourage you to download our succession planning calendar. I'll put the link to it below, and feel free to DM me if you have any questions.